Well, happy Mardi Gras, everyone. We're over here at Universal Studios, Orlando, Florida. This is probably gonna be our last Florida vlog. Kind of bittersweet, actually. And fitting that it's Mardi Gras, one of our favorite times of year over here at Universal. If you're new here, hello, hi, and welcome. We are Echo Travel Ventures. We are a travel channel. We did mostly things here in Florida, but we are branching out. We now live in Nebraska, so we're going to be doing a lot more Nebraska vlogs and that surrounding area. If you, like I said, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, don't forget to like and comment. If you make it out here, let us know what maybe we missed and what you guys tried and all that kind of stuff. It is going from February 5th all the way to April 24th. Really excited. Unfortunately, Amber's not here with me. She's back in Nebraska, and I'm over here for work. But enjoy the video. So the parade comes right out of here and then goes right down this way. This is probably the best spot, but you get pelted. Oh my God, you get pelted. We're gonna continue on. They got a whole bunch of different things like food and all that kind of stuff. We'll keep looking. We just got here, so there's a lot to see for sure.
Happy Mardi Gras!
So supposedly they have something over here at Sahara Traders. We're gonna go and take a look. It's the exit of the ride, that's for sure. Whoa. Wow. Well, these shirts are awesome. Wow, this is really impressive. Come around here. Oh wow, pretty freaking intimidating. Coming in here. Oh, you walk right into, looks like Dracula's lair. They have shirts over here. Continue on. They got the mummy. But look at this. And continue over here. We have Frankenstein.
I feel like a house dedicated to him would be a really fun house to go to. Was it 3 years ago?
Wow.
Yeah. I'm sad I never got a chance to do Killer Clowns, but just looking at the video.
Then you also got the Wolverine. Not Wolverine, oh my God. The werewolf. Oh wow, I didn't see that over here. You have Swamp Thing over here. Wow. And they also got the mummy, the original mummy. We're gonna come over here real quick. Wow. Oh, the Phantom. Holy cow. Look, they got like alien pharaoh looking guys. Alright, and the fan favorite, the tribute store. We're about to walk in. I tell you what, Universal always goes all out. I wasn't too thrilled about Christmas this last year, but we're gonna go in here and we're gonna check this out. And they're doing a change in the guard, but look at this. We got a ton of people walking out, and walking back in. There they go. All right, we're walking in. Looks like this is how they kind of come up with the concept. Going in, it's like a warehouse. That's the model. Oh my, holy cow. And here we go. First thing first, a UAP pass holder. Nothing on the back, but this is the shirt. I really like it. Wow. All right, we're gonna film and then we're gonna come back through and we're gonna do some shopping and then I'll show you what we got. But look at just everything in general. This is just like, it shows how like they come up with the concepts, the floats, how they come up with it. Just little Easter eggs too. But look. Wow. They got the spirit jersey of Mardi Gras. Some of the stuff is recycled from last year. Look. That's how they come up with the designs. Concept model only. Wow. Not a lot of merch, I will say. So far, anyway. But well, this is cool. Gator foam. Continue pushing it forward. Wow. And then you got a foam gator. It does feel like foam too. Up here they have different like props and everything. Old wood. And then you can get a waxed riverboat. That's cool for $6. We'll come over. Oh, this is what it's supposed to look like. Oh, like different examples of gators. And then we got a grizzly and a throne chair. 3 V's for $15. This is a pretty cool concept. And then you have the shirt. Oh wow. A skull made of many skulls. Different concepts still. They actually have the candles and everything too. Wow. Oh, cool. So that's how it looks when they start to carve it. Huh. That's so neat. And we're going in. Look at Back in Time at Universal Studio Mardi Gras. Oh wow, they have different floats. in the different years. That's cool. Oh, I never knew they did that. They went down the main drag. Oh, wow. Different years. I'm not sure when these were. We've only been to 2 Mardi Gras celebrations here. This would be our 3rd, but unfortunately I'm not going to be able to stay here for the parade. And then you walk in to more of a warehouse. They have different paints, schemes. I wonder what these all look like. They have a long sweatshirt. Oh, it's a hoodie. It's not that thick though. Oh, that's cool. So then it shows you how they come up with the different scaling and stuff. Oh, they even have the nose and the teethers. And then how they come up with the paint. Oh, wow. That's cool. Then they have the different lanyards and stuff like that you can get too. The Jester. They even have this t-shirt for 2022. It's a very nice shirt. You're coming over here, you got the King and Queen hoodies and t-shirts. And you can even wear a crown. Planet Mardi Gras. Oh, that's cool. The Rocket King and the Rocket Queen. And then you have Mardi Gras Universal Florida. Wow. Alright, then finally the floats are done. This is where you can come get the food as well. So they have cookie dough balls, which last time we got them they were really, really sweet. You got the trifle cake, what it looks like a lot of icing. Mardi Gras apple, a macaroon, chocolate dip bacon, and a brownie. Wow. And it's the float realized and made. This is what it looks like. All said and done with the lights and paints and everything. That looks pretty cool. And then they also have more merch coming out, but that was, oh, it's like a riverboat too. That's pretty cool. Alright, we're gonna go back around and I'm gonna go take some pictures and everything for Amber, and then I'll be headed out. As you exit out, you get hit with a tree with the beads in Oregon. That's so cool. They have these little characters walking around.
Happy Mardi Gras!
We never get hashtag this close. The star of the show, that's for sure. Better than Jimmy Kimmel. That's right. And then we got the live concert series. They have Sugar Ray on the 5th, on the 12th. 6 days from now is Diana Ross. And they got the King and the Queen.
Mardi Gras! Happy Mardi Gras!
Well, that does our time here at Mardi Gras over here at Universal Studios Orlando. Actually, the festivities are pretty cool. I didn't stay for the parade. The parade's not until 6:15, and I gotta be somewhere else. But if you made this far, guys, thank you so much for supporting our channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to hit that bell notification. Tribute store is pretty cool. They do a like a warehouse type stuff. is smaller than all the other ones. There wasn't a lot of merch. So there was a few shirts. I ended up getting Amber a tank top and me a shirt, the pass shirt. They did have a lot of different snacks. I didn't partake in it. I am going to dinner here pretty soon, so I didn't want to spoil my dinner. But other than that, guys, it was pretty cool. The festivities, there's a lot of different things you guys can do. A lot of the characters were out, a lot of stills people and all that kind of stuff. It was really cool. I'm not sure exactly what the theming is because I'm not staying here for the parade, so I wouldn't know. But still, I mean, it's Mardi Gras. It's kind of just back to normal without having to worry about this COVID crap. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for hitting the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. Don't forget to like and comment, and we'll definitely, guys, we will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.